Hey everyone, welcome to Car Season 2026. This is the year that I'm going to get to the final phase of my Ghost Facer project build with the Impala, which is going to be basically doing the body work, the repairs, and the paint, and getting that onto the road as it was originally envisioned to be. So this final phase is basically in three parts. The first part is for me to correct for the rust that was around both the rear window and the windshield, and that is going to require, and I've already started, pulling the glass from the car. As some of you know, I already pulled the windshield from the car last week. The second will be to fix all of the other issues that are with the car, minor dents, scratches, boo-boos, or other things that are missing. I'm also going to be removing this side trim and filling the holes, as well as the lower trim holes as well. So that's part of the prep, along with, again, fixing old Bondo, not mine, but issues where old repairs are starting to crack and form problems. All of that needs to be done, at which point I'm then going to sand, scuff, and prime all the areas that need to be prepped for paint. And then I'm going to shoot it with a single stage black. So those are the three stages that I'm going to be hitting in 2026, which is repair the window channels, repair the body, hit it with paint. Those are my three priorities for the car season 2026. In addition to those things, I intend to get to reupholstering the seats, for which I already have custom upholstery that is screen accurate for the Supernatural Impala. Granted, it was modified by Mop and Metal down in Houston, Texas, to account for the split back design of my front bench seat. I've also got a few mechanical details to take care of. I've got to rebuild the rear brakes. You know, I've got a few other things that I'm going to be getting to. So anyway, all of that will be in addition to the work that I'm starting to do with my 1974 Datsun 260Z, and I'm going to have some more on that in a different video. But for now, this is what's going on with the Impala, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the car season, and you know, let's hit 2026 running.